Real hard, whip it real hard, whip it real hard, whip it real hard. Whip, I hustle so hard.
In the studio, man, with PIG, man. Vic Da Lic, Money Mike, Don D, Morgan. Down here in Parham Studios, man. Finna get it in with PIG, man, pulling that green, man.
I'm dropping it off in the water. I'm serving, so complete your order. Busting like Plaxico plugins in Mexico. It's coming from across the border. Halves and holes, no quarters. My plug, I'm in love with his daughter. She think like Nicki Minaj, but got her own bread like Amora. You niggas a joke, I'm allergic to broke. I think I might have a disorder. Back at the game and I go make a play and I use it to pay off my lawyer. Niggas get murked, I'm known for the work. I might as well be an employer. You owe me, then I'm coming for you. Drought in Georgia, then I go to Florida. Cook like a chemist, I play like a gymnast. You niggas ain't making no bread. You pussies who got it with you ain't shopping. I'm thinking about taking instead. You say that you trapping, you niggas is lacking. I'm trying to get dope till I'm dead. These niggas ain't real, the way that they snitching, I probably end up in the fed. Fresh off the scale, come get it, I got it. Chick if I have to, as long as I profit. Counting my cash while blowing inside it. You haters can't stop it, do nothing about it.
Alright, that's a cool job, Ron. Everything
This
sound good in your
Augusta,
headphones?
nigga, I told y'all. It's Augusta now.
You need any more volume or anything?
Ain't
man?
nowhere but Augusta, AUG.
Okay, cool.
That nigga sound the same.
Crazy lit.
What's up, man? It's my B-Day, you know what I'm saying? It's my G-Day. 35, I'm still here, you know what I'm talking about? Chilling with my brother from another mother.
You know it.
Rockin' like that.
I'm
I
in
can
the
cut off
studio
slack.
in the morning, man.
You wanna try it again?
Put in the work, you know what I'm talking about?
I'm good, whenever you ready.
Alright, here we go, same place. I'll bring it from the
Real shit down here,
halfway
man.
to the hook though this
It's
time,
real
okay?
artists down here, man. Just need to come together. That's a pioneer now. Know that. Know
I'm dropping it off in the water. I'm serving so complete your
Camera on you, nigga. Don't be getting shot, nigga.
I'm dropping it off in the water. I'm serving so complete your order. Busting like Plaxico plugins in Mexico. It's coming from across the border. Halves and holes, no quarters. My plug, I'm in love with his daughter. She think like Nicki Minaj, but got her own bread like Amora. You niggas a joke, I'm allergic to broke. I think I might have a disorder. Back at the and I go make a play and I use it to pay off my lawyer. Niggas get murked, I'm known for the work. I might as well be an employer. You owe me, then I'm coming for you. Drought in Georgia, then I go to Florida. Cook like a chemist, I feel like a gymnast. You niggas ain't making no bread. You pussies who got it with you ain't shopping. I'm thinking about taking instead. You say that you trapping, you niggas is lacking. I'm trying to get dope till I'm dead. These niggas ain't real, the way that they snitching, I probably end up in the fed. Fresh off the scale, come get it, I got it. Chick if I have to, as long as I profit. Counting my cash while blowing inside it. You haters can't stop it, do nothing about it. Taking trips to go get it. My bitch ride back